It's me, Isabella, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix an old pottery piece. And what you're going to be needing for that old pottery piece to fix it is some evaporated milk, a little small dish to put the evaporated milk into, some Q-tips, and yeah. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already started a little bit because I'm practicing. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get this piece and I'm gonna make sure this is a piece that goes to it. Which, let's see, like this. Okay, yes it is. So now I'm gonna get the evaporated milk and put it just right here where it got broken. And here's a tip. Make sure you have your parents with you in case you cut yourself. And okay, so as you can see, I already put it together. Now we're just gonna get that Q-tip and just put it in the inside where it broke. And I'm just dabbing it. Okay, so as you can see, I finished that. So just take a look at it for a second. So yeah, now I'm gonna wait for it a little bit longer. And I think that should be enough. And now I'm gonna get maybe this piece that could go to it, which is gonna have to go like this, and see if it's that broken piece. Yes, it is. So now I'm gonna get the evaporated milk. So yeah, there we go. And the same thing with the other piece, this piece, which we got. Just dabbing it again. Okay, so now it's gonna be the last piece, which is gonna be this one. So let's make sure that it doesn't keep on breaking. And then we're just going to be seeing if it fits right here. Okay, so it fits right there. Ah! Maybe. Why does I'm just gonna put a little bit more there. And now I'm just gonna let it dry. Just wait a little couple seconds. So now I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it on its side, and then right there, and then I'm just gonna let it sit for a little seconds, and then we're gonna come back and put the heavy piece on, and hopefully it holds. So yeah, see you. So it's waiting, so it was done for a little bit, and now we came back, and now I'm just gonna get a new Q-tip and put in the evaporated milk. So now hopefully it would stay. So now we're just gonna first see where it could go. Okay, good. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the evaporated milk first on this one. And put it on the inside. gonna put the other one right here very carefully. Very quickly, so the other one doesn't dry. Let's put a little bit, let's put one more coat. Okay, so now let's get this, the last piece. Let's put it where it's supposed to be. And let's make sure it stays